In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Common app on Android. First, we begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is typically represented by a colorful triangle icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping on this icon will launch the Play Store, where you can access a vast array of applications. The Play Store is essential for downloading apps safely and securely. Once it opens, you will be greeted by a user-friendly interface showcasing various apps and games. This is a critical first step because it allows you to access everything you need for downloading the Common app. Next, tap the search bar located at the top of the Play Store screen. It usually has a magnifying glass icon next to it, indicating its purpose. By tapping on this bar, you are preparing to enter your search query. Type in Common App using your on-screen keyboard. This action is important as it directs the Play Store to show you the specific application you are looking for. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar, helping you refine your search. Once you have entered the name, look for the search icon, usually represented by a magnifying glass, and tap it to proceed. Once your search results appear, it's time to select the official Common App mobile app. This is crucial to ensure that you are downloading the legitimate version of the app, which is necessary for your college applications. Look for the app with the official logo, which typically features a red and white design. This will help you avoid any unofficial or potentially harmful apps. Tapping on the correct app will take you to its dedicated page, where you can find more details about its features and functionalities. This step sets you up to download the right application, keeping your information secure and reliable. Now you will see a button that says Install on the app's page. Tapping this button initiates the download and installation process for the Common app on your device. Once you tap it, you will see a progress indicator that shows how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is vital because it begins the actual process of putting the app on your device, enabling you to use it. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take a few moments. You can relax while the app installs, knowing that your download is progressing smoothly. After the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear in place of the Install button. Tapping Open will launch the Common app for the first time. This moment is significant because it marks the beginning of your journey in using the app for your college applications. You may also see an option to add the app to your home screen for easy access in the future. This is a great feature to ensure that you can return to the app quickly whenever you need it. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the Common app on your Android device. With this app, you can start your college application process efficiently and effectively. Remember to log in or create an account to maximize your experience. Using the Common app can save you time and streamline your application submissions to multiple colleges. Enjoy exploring the app and best of luck with your college applications.